I assume these bridge pieces are gaps between the cars. Is this the back? I assume this is the back of the train. Maybe it was the front. Well, if there's fire, that's probably the steam engine. What was I searching for? Something about ashes. Not sure what that is yet. So I'm guessing this little path was sort of meant to be a ladder, so now we're climbing on top of the train that we were just in. That's a neat concept. Neat way to get your looping in too. Alright. Yeah, looks good. Still not sure what the ashes are all about, but yeah, neat concept.